Hello student. Today we learn how to arrange ascending and descending order of rational numbers. Before that, let we see how to compare two rational numbers. Means which one is smaller and which one is bigger. Suppose 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 5 is given. When the denominators are same, that time you directly compare the numerators, and a greater numerator has greater value. That means here 4 upon 5 is less than 7 upon 5 because 7 is greater, so 4 is less. But suppose when numerators are same, means 7 upon 4 and 7 upon 5, here 7 numerator is same, that time you just compare denominators. But in that one, denominators are greater number, means big number has lower value. So here 4 and 5 is greater, but value of 1 upon 5 is there, value of that one is less than 1 upon 4. So here 7 upon 4 is greater than 7 upon 5. But when the denominators are not same, that time compulsory you have to take LCM. Yesterday I show you that. Okay, so 10 and 15, you just take LCM of 10 and 15. So that is 2 5 are 15, then 3 5 are and 5 1 1. So here LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5, that is 5 3 are 15, 15 2 are 30. Now there are two methods to compare them. If you want to know that which one is greater, that time directly you just take one method, you just take LCM 30. So 3 upon 10 to multiply 10 with 3 to get 30. Same here, multiply 3. Now here 4 upon 15, 15 2s are, same 2s are. So 3 3s are 9 upon 30 and here 4 2s are 8 upon 30. Now same denominators are there. So directly you just multiply, compare the numerators. Here 9 is greater than 8. So 9 is greater than. So 9 upon 30 is greater than 8 upon 30. 9 upon 30 means 3 upon 10. So 3 upon 10 is greater than 4 upon 15. One more method. Look, you want to know which one is greater that time. 3 upon 10 and 4 upon 15. Now 3 and 4. Very short method. Okay. To find out which one is greater. Now what to do? Just multiply the denominators in cross form with numerators. Cross multiplication. So 3 with 15 and 10 with 4. Now 15 3s are and 10 4s are 40. Now which one is greater? 45 is greater. So 45 means this one. So 3 upon 10 is greater than 4 upon 15. So easy. Okay. Now using of this method, we find out, means we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Now suppose the number is 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10 minus 4 upon 15, 4 upon 5 and 7 upon 10. Arrange these numbers into ascending and descending order. Now ascending means small to big and descending means big to small. Now when you want to arrange, otherwise comparing two number, compulsory denominators should be same. Here they are not same, so what to do? Take LCM. LCM of 5 10 15 5 10. So LCM of 5 10 15 5 is already here, 10 is also here. So find out LCM of 5 10 and 15. 2s are 5 5 15. Then 3s are 5 5 5 and 5 1 1 1. So your LCM equal to 2 into 3 into 5. That is 5 3s are 15, 2s are 30. Okay. So we need 30 as denominator of all one. So 2 upon 5. First one 2 upon 5. What to do? 2 upon 5 multiply with 6 denominators to get 30 as denominator. Same here, multiply numerator is also 6. 6 2 is 12 upon 5 3 is 6 5 is 30. Minus 3 upon 10. Same here, minus 3 upon 10. 10 3 is same here 3 is. Now plus minus minus 3 3 is 9 upon 30. Then minus 4 upon 15 equal to minus 4 upon 15. 15 2 is same here 2 is. Now same here, minus 4 into 2 minus 8 upon 30. 4 upon 5 equal to 4 upon 5. 5 6 is same here 6 is. So 6 4 is 24 divided by 30. And last one is 7 upon 10 equal to 7 upon 10. 3 is same here 3 is. So 7 3 is 21 and here 30. Now write down all that numbers. They are 12 upon 30, then minus 9 upon 30, minus 8 upon 30, 24 upon 30 and 21 upon 30. Now first one, ascending order. Equal to, ascending means small to big. Now which one is small? So two negative numbers are there. Negative numbers are always less than positive. Now compare them. In negative number, the bigger numbers have smaller value. So minus 9 is less than minus 8. So minus 9 comes first. Minus 9 upon 30, then minus 8 upon 30, then positive numbers, that is 12. 12 upon 30, then 21 upon 30 and 24 upon 30. That is ascending order. Now write down the original numbers. So minus 9 upon 30, which one is original number? That is minus 3 upon 10. Minus 3 upon 10. Then 8 minus 8 upon 30, that is minus 4 upon 50. Same for 12 upon 30 is 2 upon 5. 21 upon 30 is 7 upon 10 and 24 upon 30 is 4 upon 5. Now descending order. Descending order. Descending means greater value first. So that is 24 upon 30. Then less than 21, 24, that is 21. Less than 21, 12 upon 30. Then minus 8 and minus 9. Which one is greater? Minus 8 is greater. So that's minus 8 upon 30. Then minus 9 upon 30. Now write down original numbers. So 4 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 2 upon 5, minus 4 upon 15 and minus 3 upon 10. That's your answer. So easy. Okay. Now homework. Okay. So you just arrange these two numbers into ascending and descending order. Okay. Thank you.